Well, hello and welcome to the final part of this project. You've seen over the last few weeks me fit this aquascape pondless waterfall, done the paving, we've had the clear out, which is the first video. This week it's a turn of the turf and the soil that's going to be going beneath it, and I will then show you the completed project. So stay tuned, it's all coming up. So we are all finished on this project. Paving is done, lawn is done, pondless waterfall using aquascape products is done. The biggest trick with this one was adapting to the existing paving that the customer didn't want renewing. So obviously I had my required fall coming out from the property here with my paving, followed the line, knew I had to be somewhere near those pavers down there. I opted to use some of this blue slate chipping. Also there's a French drain here, but around the outside there, just as a bit of a buffer between the height of my paving and the height of their existing uneven paving, because it didn't follow the line that my fall did. Some of it went this way, that way, any which way but the correct way. So I've had to meet it in the middle a little bit. Customer is very happy with the end result. It's a lovely lawn, and as always, like I tell all my customers, water this for the first 2 weeks, every morning, every night, a good soaking, and then another 2 weeks after that, just in the evenings. Keep off it for all that time, and then in a month's time, you'll have a lawn that you can walk on and cut, and it will be very nice indeed. So that's me all done on another project. We've already had lots of birds, bees, butterflies visiting the pondless waterfall, planting around it, and even the lawn, which was only laid this morning. We've had sparrows in there trying to find some worms already. But yeah, the water feature over there, get the finger in the right place, is certainly attracting the local wildlife, which is fantastic. That's what it's all about. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next job.